In this video, we are going to talk about the best volume indicator for swing trading. Yes, guys, this is going to be a fantastic video because I'm trying my best to open the eyes of my subscribers regarding the volume. The volume has a huge impact in the market. It tells us really the market wants to go up or go down. Okay, so we want some type of pressure that is available in the market, and we want to filter out those pressures so that we can take our buying and selling positions. Okay, then do not wonder about these buy and sell signals. We are going to utilize each and everything in a right way. Even if you are a swing trader, if you trade 15-minute chart, you trade 5-minute chart, this setup is going to amaze you today. So before I jump into this video, if you have not subscribed my other YouTube channel that is in the name of Secret Trading Unmasked, then please find the link of the YouTube channel in the description of this video below, and please make sure that you are going to subscribe this channel, because lot of secret strategies that are not in front of you, they are already shared on that YouTube channel. So please go and subscribe it, and also subscribe the FX Mentor as well, because we are on the way to upload the highly interested content for our users. Okay, guys, so when we talk about this indicator basically tells us about the volume and direction of the market, and which is quite important for us. So I'm going to delete the indicator section from here, and we are going towards the indicator section. So before we are going to talk about the indicator, if you are still looking for the best broker that I personally recommend and use from 2015, then I have given the broker link in the description of this video below. Why I use this broker? Because my investment is safe with this particular broker. First of all, they are regulated. Second, they never scam with any of the deposit from 2015, and I'm comfortably using this broker from a very long time. And the good part is they also have the live support. If you feel any problem, you can immediately contact on their live support. So please find the link in the description of this video below. Okay, guys, so we are going towards the indicator section, and here we need to write directional. Okay, so directional volatility. Okay, so directional volatility and volume. So you need to write directional volatility and volume, and you can see that this indicator is by some Pugu forex, and you can see only 256 likes. So what you get the idea from the FX Mentor videos, basically it is highlighting you the interesting content which is not much explored yet. Okay, so might be you are watching the videos that you watching the strategies that you already have seen from the other YouTube channels, but on this channel you will be going to find the interesting content and the unique content as well. Okay, so now I have attached this indicator, so it basically look like this. So we want to change some sort of setting, like if we go to the setting, you do not need to disturb these periods, so you just need to go into the labels and uncheck them, and now your screen is pretty clear. Okay, now guys, I'm going to it's not difficult to understand this indicator. Might be you're thinking that this is the confusion of the this looks like a histogram, but no, there is a way to use this indicator, and I'm going to explain each and every part in this video. Okay, so let's talk about this indicator. So as you can see, we have two things on this indicator. First of all, we have a kind of a histogram that shows us a green and red signals. So I'm putting the arrows so that you can understand. So the green zone and the red zone, this basically works just like a histogram. Like you must have seen the QQE indicators, they provide the signals buy and sell. Okay, but the good part of this strategy is, like, whenever the middle band that you can see here, this is called directional volatility. Okay, so this is the directional volatility, and what it is telling you that I am into blue color. So blue means that this is the sign of a upward move. Just have a look on the market at the top. What happened to the market when it turned into blue color, and you get a buy signal. It's kind of a buy signal from the volume indicator that it is telling you that the buying volume is coming into the market. Now just have an idea that how much you can easily make from the trade. Like if you are entering from here and setting up a stop loss previous low of the market, and you can see easily this trade has given you 2.96 trading ratio here. Okay, and similarly guys, when you can see, okay, you can see here that we still continued to in the same trend. Okay, so you can see this is the yellow picture of the market. Okay, so now what happens, the directional volatility turns into red color, sorry, into yellow or orange, you can say. This is kind of orange color. Okay, but you cannot see a sell signal from the histogram, so you need to wait in that scenario. Now we are going to practice this thing on the other charts. So for example, look at this. It was blue, you get a buying signal, price moved up. Okay, it was yellow and you get a sell signal, then price goes down. Okay, after any signal, like you get a yellow color and the histogram turned red, then in between, if it is turning into blue color, you need to wait for the histogram to turn into green color so that you can be assured of the trend. Okay, now guys, what you can do else is to go with the UT as well if you want. Otherwise, if you don't want, it's okay. You must have different lot of strategies, I know. Okay, now put the UT on this. Okay, it will set up like this, and now go to the settings of the UT. You can change it to the key value to 3 and the ATR period to 5, and now you press OK, and now you can see also it is supplying you the good signals like buy signal, histogram, the directional volatility into the blue color, you get a buy signal, price moved up, and then you continued with the buy because the histogram does not change red, and then you can see price again went up. When the histogram and the yellow color appears, and you also have a sell signal from the UT board with the same settings that I have explained, you can see price is down, even if it was turning into a blue color in the middle, but the price continued to be down. And here, when the histogram and the blue color met both each other, then you can see the price moved up. However, we do not have a signal from the indicator. So guys, this is how you are going to use this indicator, and the volume indicators have a big impact into the trading market. You can use this indicator for swing trading, scalping, and you can use any time frame of your choice. If you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe the channel, and guys, share the videos, and do not forget to subscribe the Secret Trading Unmasked YouTube channel for secret strategies. I have provided the link in the description of this video below. Thank you very much for watching this video.